Hello, let's sew together a dress shirt with a stand-up collar. The dress is made of knitted fabric with a density of 180 grams per 100 centimeters. The link to the pattern is, as always, under the video. Available in sizes from 18 months to 8 years. For each size, you will find several options for chest girth. Because a child does not have to be standard. We need one piece of the back with a fold, 2 front parts, 2 sleeves, 2 details collar stand, and 2 details collar. Cut out the pocket. For convenience, you can draw lines for seam allowances. Mark the top line of the pocket with cuts. Overlock the top cut. Reinforce the entrance to the pocket with hot melt adhesive. Cut off the seam allowances from the pocket pattern, insert into the pocket and press the seam allowances. It will be more convenient if you stick the template on thin cardboard. Bend the upper allowance on the front side and sew exactly into the groove from the iron. Do the other side too. Turn out the pocket and iron. Lay a finishing line. Mark the location of the pocket. Sew on a pocket. Duplicate one part of the collar and one part of the stand with hot glue cloth. Sew collar parts. The collar now needs to be stitched. Mark the middle on the collar and on the top and bottom of the stand pieces. Insert the collar between the 2 parts of the stand. Marks must be combined. Sew the collar into the stand, make cuts in turn. Iron the resulting part well and top stitch. Mark the place of the folds button stand. Reinforce button stand with a 2 cm wide strip of hot melt adhesive and iron. Sew shoulder seams. Button stand sweep on overlock. Mark the center of the back, align the marks and sew in the collar. Cut out one layer and overcast on the overlock. Put aside 2 cm from the edge of button stand and draw a straight line. Stitch straight along the line. Now you need to sew the sleeves. Sew side seams. bottom of the sleeves on an overlock, bend it 2 centimeters in hem. Cut out a placket of skirt and upper and lower ruffles. Sew all the pieces into a ring and fold the bottom of both frills 2 centimeters. Along the top of each frill, lay 2 parallel stitches and pull the frills to the size of the skirt placket. First you need to sew on the bottom frill. Sew on the sewing machine first, then cut the folds and overcast on the overlock. Then on the sewing machine sew on the top frill and cut the folds again. It remains only to install buttons on the bodice and sew a skirt to it. The top button must be installed on the collar stand next to the next one slightly lower on the button stand. Other buttons are set in increments of 5 centimeters or 2 inches.